Is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Social Podcast, where I give you guys advice on entrepreneurship, business, marketing, and so much more. So, let's jump right into the episode. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. Now, I know I've been off a little bit in the regards to the episodes, but we're back. Just to give you guys a little bit of backstory. We've been revamping the company in terms of marketing and employees and staff and all those other things. So there's a little bit of a delay on that, but the main reason why I'm saying this is all due to the fact that more people need to do marketing. There's a definite lapse in the marketing area of businesses in 2024 today. So more people need to be doing marketing and advertising, and just check the news. There's a lot of people that are being laid off and all these other things is because these companies aren't advertising their brand enough. Some of the more higher end brands like Lowe's and all of these other companies, all the middle class businesses and all the low end businesses like barbershops and all these other people aren't advertising, so they're not gonna get that much business to begin with. So I really strongly advise that low to middle class businesses, put yourself out there, get yourself on Facebook ads, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Snapchat, on Pinterest, on LinkedIn. There's a whole plethora of networking events that are out there now, and not even networking events. You could just do the networking directly from your mobile device, so there's not really need to drive 500 miles or 50 miles or even 10 miles to go to a networking event. You can do it right from your phone. So the opportunity is out there, guys. All you gotta do is just bet on yourself, take a risk, and go for it. You never know what might happen. So, but yeah, guys. Really, marketing is key. Marketing. So if you guys have like a small to medium sized business and you want to get it out there, advertise. I'll be shouting that till off of the rooftops. Advertise your business. Get on social. Get on YouTube. Get on Instagram Live. Get on TikTok. And just advertise your business and get it out there, because there's a lot of opportunity that is out there now. So advertise, and you'll see substantial and massive upside for your business, for your brand, and for yourself. Hey guys, thanks for joining the show, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of the show.